Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize J1772 station activation using QR-based authorization step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a QR code ready for the activation process. Locate the J1772 charging station you wish to use. Approach the station and familiarize yourself with its QR code scanner. Take your smartphone and open your camera app. Point your camera at the QR code displayed near the charging station. A notification should appear on your screen prompting you to open a link. Tap on the notification to proceed. This will direct you to an authorization webpage related to the station. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in any necessary details. Provide your payment information if required for the activation. Review and confirm all information is accurate before submitting. Once submitted, the system will process your request. Wait for the confirmation prompt indicating that authorization is complete. Return to the J1772 charging station. Press the Start button on the station to initiate charging. Verify that the charging connector is securely attached to your vehicle. Monitor the charging progress through the station's display. Once your vehicle is fully charged, disconnect the connector. Ensure you exit the charging session properly on the station interface. You have now completed the QR-based authorization process for J1772 station activation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.